Welcome to our roundup of the best trucker dash cam options. Whether you are covering long highway miles, driving overnight routes, or managing busy delivery schedules, having a reliable dash cam is essential for safety, evidence, and peace of mind. We've selected top-rated dash cams that combine crystal clear video quality, wide coverage, night performance, and smart features designed for professional drivers. We will break down each model's key specs like video resolution, field of view, night vision, storage support, and durability to help you find the perfect fit for your rig. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal dashcam for you. First on the list is the Viro dashcam front and rear. This dashcam is designed for drivers who want dependable front and rear coverage without complicated setup. With dual camera recording, wide 170-degree viewing angle, and excellent night vision, it ensures that both the road ahead and what is happening behind your truck are always captured clearly. The front camera records in sharp resolution, while the rear unit keeps an eye on blind spots and tailgating vehicles, which is especially useful for large trucks and trailers. The Viro dashcam performs very well in low light conditions thanks to its advanced night vision sensor and wide dynamic range technology. This means even when driving through poorly lit highways or during nighttime deliveries, license plates and road signs remain visible. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites old footage when the memory card is full, so you never have to worry about manually deleting files. Its built-in G sensor detects sudden impacts or harsh braking and instantly locks the footage to prevent it from being erased. Installation is straightforward, and the compact design does not block your windshield view. The rear camera cable is long enough for extended vehicles, making it suitable for trucks, vans, and trailers. It also supports parking mode, which monitors your vehicle when parked and records any motion or collision. Overall, the Viro dashcam is a solid choice for truckers who want reliable dual coverage, clear night recording, and easy operation without spending too much. Next up is the Turunsul 4K plus 1080p 3-channel dashcam. This model is built for drivers who want complete coverage from every angle. With triple-channel recording, true 4K front camera, and interior cabin monitoring, it captures the road ahead, the rear view, and the inside of the cabin all at the same time. This is extremely useful for truckers who want to monitor cargo activity, document interactions, or ensure full evidence coverage in case of incidents. The front camera records in ultra-high-definition 4K, delivering incredibly detailed footage where even small details like license plates and road markings are easy to identify. The rear camera also records in 4K, while the interior camera captures clear 1080p video using infrared night vision. This infrared feature allows the interior camera to record clearly even in total darkness, making it perfect for overnight hauls. This dashcam also includes built-in Wi-Fi and app connectivity, allowing you to download and view footage directly on your smartphone without removing the memory card. The supercapacitor design improves durability in extreme temperatures, which is important for trucks operating in hot and cold climates. Overall, this triple-channel dashcam offers unmatched coverage, making it ideal for truckers who want maximum visibility and complete recording from all angles. Next, we have the Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam. This model is well known for its premium video quality and reliability among professional drivers. Featuring 4K front recording, full HD rear camera, and built-in GPS with Wi-Fi, it delivers both performance and convenience in one compact unit. The Sony Starvis sensor enhances low-light performance, ensuring clear footage even during night driving or in bad weather. The Rove Dual Dashcam offers a wide field of view that captures multiple lanes of traffic, reducing blind spots in recordings. Its advanced WDR technology balances bright and dark areas in the footage, which is particularly useful when driving from tunnels into bright sunlight or during sunrise and sunset. The rear camera provides clear coverage of the back of your vehicle, which is essential for large trucks where rear visibility is limited. With the Rove app, you can easily access videos, adjust settings, and download clips wirelessly. The built-in GPS logs speed and route data directly onto the video. The camera also supports large memory cards, allowing for extended recording hours without interruption. Parking mode, motion detection, and collision detection further enhance security when your truck is parked. Overall, the Rove R2 4K Dual is a high-quality, dependable dashcam that combines sharp video, smart features, and durable performance for long-distance truckers. Next is the Tirunsul 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear. This version focuses on powerful dual camera performance without the interior lens. It stands out with dual 4K recording, super wide-angle lenses, and super capacitor durability built specifically for demanding road conditions. Both the front and rear cameras record in ultra-high-definition 4K, ensuring that every detail on the road is captured with precision. This dashcam is particularly useful for truckers who spend most of their time on highways and want detailed evidence from both directions. The wide-angle lenses capture more of the road and surrounding traffic, helping document side impacts or vehicles cutting in abruptly. Night performance is also impressive, with advanced sensors that keep footage clear even in poorly lit areas. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make reviewing footage simple and efficient. You can check videos instantly on your phone and share clips if needed. The supercapacitor allows the dashcam to withstand heat inside the cabin during long summer drives without damaging the battery, making it far more reliable than traditional battery-powered models. Overall, this Tirunsul dashcam is perfect for truckers who want ultra-clear front and rear footage with strong durability and smart connectivity. The last one on our list is the Rove R2 4K dashcam. This single-channel dashcam has earned a strong reputation among professional drivers who want a clean, simple setup without sacrificing premium video quality. It combines true 4K video recording, a Sony Starvis night vision sensor, and built-in Wi-Fi and GPS inside a sleek, compact body that fits neatly on your windshield without blocking your view. Even though it uses only a front-facing camera, this is often the most important angle for truckers, as it captures everything happening on the road ahead where most incidents occur. What makes the Rove R2 4K stand out is the incredible level of detail it captures. In 4K resolution, small but critical details like license plates, road signs, traffic signals, and lane markings remain sharp and readable. Overall, the Rove R2 4K is an outstanding choice for truckers who value simplicity, reliability, and crystal-clear video quality. So, that is it for the best trucker dashcam options you can rely on for clear footage, safety, and documentation on every trip. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.